522 Walton Way is a grand waterfront estate located in Miramar Beach, Florida. This impressive home and carriage home is constructed as nothing less than a concrete fortress and has been maintained to a meticulous extent. Secured by a nearly $1 million concrete wall and private gated entry that meanders through a gorgeous drive leading to a motor court, encircling a fabulous sculptural fountain feature, all of which is surrounded by a secluded compound oriented on the Choctawhatchee Bay along the Emerald Coast of Florida. The 1+ acre estate offers over 100 feet along the scenic shores of the gorgeous bay waters and includes a dock. The main home consists of nearly 5,000 square feet of luxurious and architecturally magnificent, conditioned space. The first level of the home includes a living area, a kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances. Also an entertainment room with an outside sitting area. The master living quarters and a study. The second level consists of 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. The spectacular pool, and its fabulous architectural elements exhibit much like that of the Peninsula Hotel in Beverly Hills. The carriage home contains over 1,000 square feet and sits atop a 3-car garage, and is protected by backup generator power. In any attempt during this unprecedented era to replicate the perfection reflected of this turnkey estate, if you could even secure a lot of such superiority, one would likely expend closer to $20 million and 3 years of valuable life to plan, design, permit, construct, and fixture. Otherwise, this extremely rare opportunity to acquire such a stunning property of profound value will allow for instantaneous use and enjoyment. Contact Summers & Company today for more information.